Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. The best cherry juice tart available on the market. The 365 by Whole Foods Market, Organic Tart Cherry Juice. If you're a fan of wholesome, organic beverages, this product is one you won't want to miss. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Tart Cherry Juice comes in a convenient 32 fluid ounce bottle, providing a rich and delicious way to enjoy the health benefits of tart cherries. Made from organic cherries, this juice stands out for its vibrant flavor and numerous health benefits. Many health enthusiasts and fans of tart cherry juice claim it to be their go-to source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Tart cherries, known scientifically as Prunus cerasus, possess unique compounds that not only give them their signature tartness but also contribute to their health benefits. Rich in anthocyanins, these cherries help to combat oxidative stress in the body, making this juice an excellent addition to any health-conscious diet. What makes this tart cherry juice particularly appealing is its potential to aid in recovery after exercise, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Many athletes consume tart cherry juice to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery times. Furthermore, studies suggest that it may help improve sleep quality due to its natural melatonin content. So, whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or simply someone wanting to boost your overall health, this juice might be the perfect choice for you. Aside from recovery and sleep benefits, tart cherry juice may also support joint health. It's believed to help reduce symptoms associated with arthritis and gout, making it a favorable option for individuals dealing with joint pain or inflammation. Drinking tart cherry juice regularly might be a flavorful way to support your body. Now, let's talk about the taste. Imagine a refreshing and tangy burst of flavor with every sip. The sweetness is perfectly balanced with the tartness, offering a refreshing drink that's both satisfying and invigorating. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it into smoothies, or even use it as a flavorful addition to cocktails and culinary dishes. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. In conclusion, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Tart Cherry Juice is a top contender for the best cherry juice tart available today. Its organic ingredients, health benefits, and delicious taste make it a worthwhile investment for health-conscious consumers. So, why not give it a try? Add this fantastic tart cherry juice to your shopping list and experience what all the buzz is about. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on the best products in health and wellness. See you next time.